All right, guys, nice work. So let's take a look at our next problem that I failed you on. And this one is about Axel getting ready to go to the pig race. And it says during the race there are 4 pigs. So whichever pig wins gets a what? Oreo cookie. I would personally compete for an Oreo cookie. Okay, so we have 4 pigs. Can you identify the 4 pigs? That's right. We have Hammy and we have Babe. I meant to draw that. We got Hammy, we got Babe, we got Wilbur, and we got Porkchop. Okay, so if we want to find the information to graph, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to make a T-chart for each of the pigs that we want to compare. Okay, so let's do that now, and I'll show you how to make that T-chart for that. All right, so for this next part, you're gonna again need your graph paper, and we're gonna need to make a T-chart of the pigs that we're going to compare. So I'm just gonna pick the first and the last pig. Let's see. So we have Hammy. We're gonna put Hammy up here. All right, Hammy, come on down. And then our last pig was Porkchop. Porkchop's gonna be right here. A pork and a chop. Okay, and this is going to be Porkchop's T-chart down here. So what does Porkchop do, or how fast does he do what he do, but how fast does he run? He runs 15 feet in 5 seconds. So I believe in the last one, we had our seconds on this side over here, and we had our feet on this side. Okay, so Porkchop runs 15 feet in 5 seconds. So now what you're going to have to do is figure out how the rest of this T-chart is going to look. What do you want it to be? Do you want it to be, remember this side is seconds and this side is feet. Okay, so do you want it to be 1, 5, 10, seconds? Do you want it to go up to 20? Do you want it to go up to 50? It's your choice because you're the one who's going to be filling in this T-chart. And then do the same thing with Hammy. Hammy, girl, she can run. You're a runner, you're a track star. Okay, she can at a rate of 11 feet per second. How would I write that? 11 per second. So what would I put in the second column here? I'd put 1. It's 11 feet per 1 second. And then fill in the rest of those. And then you're going to decide. I left these time and seconds labeled as 1. You're going to decide what you need to label these. Obviously, you're not going to count by 50 this time because you've got 1, 5, 10, 20, something like that. So be smart about that. And then you're going to graph it again so that you will have 2 lines and you will be able to predict how fast they will go at other times, and you will be able to see a clear pattern of who is the winner.